Hello, you're welcome. In this video, I want to show you how you can easily get started with Google Sheets. So there are two easy ways you can get started with Google Sheets. In this my case now, I am using Google Chrome as my browser. So in order to get started, I can just come to these apps, click on it, then scroll down and you see Sheets here. So even if you're not using Chrome, if you're using another browser, you can still type google.com there and you still have this app here. Okay. So in my case, as I'm using Google Sheet, I will just click here, then select the sheet. So another way is to type sheets.google.com, and you enter. It will still bring out this for you. Okay. So since we are starting with a new sheet, we just click on this blank sheet. So if you click on this blank sheet, it opens a new blank sheet for you. And here you can start by typing the name of this sheet. So you can give it a new name. So I'll call this new sheet. And here you now have options to enter your data. So let's imagine we have students data that we want to enter here. So here I will just type student, and in the B column I will type scores. So the first student that I have here is Adam, and he scored 40. I also have the next student as Bola, and she scored 50. Then here I have Chinedu, and scored 60. Also have Daniel, scored 70. Now I can perform calculations on these scores as well. So let me see, I'm looking for the average of these students. So to get the average score here, I just enter my equal sign. Google is able to automatically suggest a calculation for me. Okay, so, and this is exactly what I want. So we just click on my tab and it enters. So I'm now taking the average of B2 to B5. So one advantage of working in Google Sheet is the ability to collaborate with others. So in order to share this very work with our team, we can just come to this share. So this is currently private to only me. I can click on this share. Then here I can enter the email addresses of those I want to collaborate with me in this very project. I can also change the general access from here and give anyone with the link either the access to edit or to just view. So anyone with the link can either view or comment or become an editor. Then if I add email addresses here, I also have this kind of options to select from. And that's just what I want to show us in this video, how to create a new sheet as well as how to share in Google Sheets. I hope you found this video helpful. Please, if you were, kindly like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.